milk. I got it. I got the milk. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic one. It is me, your boy, Kakaja, back with another review here on the channel. This is one I'm doing here today by popular demand. I've already done one review on a product from this company in the past. That video did really well. It seems like you guys really wanted to know more about this product and this company. I'm not going to spend forever talking about the company again or explaining what the product is. You can find all of that in the last video where I kind of went in depth on everything. But in today's video, we are taking a look at another flavor from Control, a meal replacement company. And really, this product has taken the gaming industry by storm. And I'm not gonna lie, in my last video, I was very surprised with how both tasty this product is and how filling of a product it was for me. We all know the common scenario. You're a gamer, you're at your desk all day long, whether you're streaming or playing games or editing. The likes of people like us, we forget to eat all the time. No, it is not a healthy thing, but yes, it's happened to the majority of all of us. When you get so busy and caught up in the grind that you don't get in all of the calories that you should in a day. Well, Control has proposed a meal replacement that should help out with that. In the last video I did on this product, we took a look at the cinnamon toast Control. The flavor absolutely blew me away. It tastes and it does have some of the textures of the bottom of a cereal bowl. Very sweet and creamy, but with little chunks of cereal all the way throughout. And by the way, the comment section says I say the word cereal wrong. Is that not how I cereal? Please stop commenting that. I know I say it weird. Since that video did so well, I figured that today we would take a look at another Control flavor, the Cocoa Crunch. Looks very chocolatey, and if it's anything like the cinnamon toast, the little chunks of floating cereal all the way throughout, and the nice light creamy flavor, I think I'm really gonna like this. This most likely will be a shorter video for your Friday entertainment. Just a quick taste test of this stuff, let you guys know what I think. Maybe this is something you should pick up for yourself. I want to say right off the bat that I'm not partnered with this company in any way, shape, or form. This is all of my own opinion. I am my own man. I can think for myself. Also, I know you probably can't help but notice the simp on my chest. It's officially October, which means no simp September is over. You can simp all you want, and to celebrate your simpness, you can buy the simp merch in the description down below. And not only that, but you can use code SIMP for 40% off all of my merchandise for the next week. So October 9th, 2020 will be the last day for this 40% off. And if you're watching this in the future, still buy some. You're probably a simp. All right, flavor time. Flavor time. Flavor town. So Control did send me these for free for review purposes. They come in these little sample packets. Again, just like the last packet, this has 23 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, 23 vitamins and minerals, and 280 calories within water. And that's a little bit more than that inside of milk. So we're gonna open this up and see what it smells like first. You wanna put your nose right in it as you open it up for a good smell. There we go. Wow, it smells very chocolatey, as you could probably assume. It smells very close to like a Nesquik powder, and it actually kind of looks similar to it as well. Is this just Nesquik? We are about to find out. Open our cap over here using the Control shaker that they sent me as well. Thank you, Control. I appreciate you. Open up my almond milk, and which comes first, the milk or the powder? Wait, which one do I usually do first? I forget. Let's do milk first. Okay. Glug, 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 glug. That should probably be good right about there, I would assume. And I believe we put the whole packet in here just like I did last time. Can I even fit that in here? Oh, it's on my pant. Coke. Oh, it's on the floor. All right, I got it all in there. Close this bad boy up. Lock it nice and tight. Slam it down. Breathe in deeply. Wait for it. And shake! I get really tired after all these shakes. Pop this open, see how it sounds. Everybody, please stop. Hey, you stop talking. You have to listen to the pop. 3, 2, 1. Pretty good. You're never gonna have a good pop like you have with G Fuel. I think certain cups are just not destined for that kind of pop. It's okay. We all have our roles in life. Smells good, very chocolatey again. Smells more like muscle milk than it does Nesquik now. First flavor I tried blew me away. Hopefully this one does as well. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Let you guys know what I think. Please pick up whatever drink is nearby you and cheers with me on the screen here. Oh, did you get a little? What? You got some on your desk? That's okay. We can clean it up later. Let's go ahead and try this out. Those chunks of cereal still just really cool. So you can chew it a little bit, which I don't know if that sounds appealing to you guys out there. I don't think it sounds appealing in my head to say you can really chew this drink, but you can, and it's good. I actually like it. It's not like I have like a mouthful of chew either. There's just very little subtle pieces of cereal that you get every so often. I feel like in the cinnamon toast flavor I reviewed, there were more bits of cereal in there. This feels like it's a bit smoother of a flavor than cinnamon toast. Maybe it's designed to be that way. Very chocolatey. It's like a chalky milk. If I were to sit here and describe this to you as someone who's never had it before, it's like chalky milk with chalky cereal chips at the bottom. That sounded like I was talking to a 3-year-old. But no, it's like chocolate milk with little bits of chocolate cereal. And if you look on the inside, you can definitely see all those different bits in there. I just feel like I remember the other one being like a bit thicker with like 4 C's. This one has like 3 C's. Not as many, but still enough to get the job done. Overall, has a really good taste, extremely chocolate heavy. So if you don't like chocolate, you will absolutely hate this. But however, if you do like chalky milk, this is for you. It's not too overly sweet, which I feel like the cinnamon toast and maybe even these fruity flakes might be for some people. This might be like a very nice middle ground in between between the two really sweet flavors. Something that's a bit more tame. It's very smooth. It's a classic chocolate flavor. Nothing like out of this world. I personally like a bit more of an intense sweet flavor when it comes to things like this. So I don't think it's quite as good as the Cinnamon Toast. I think I'm gonna like the Fruity Flakes more if I do another video on this product. But for this, after drinking about half the cup, I would give it a solid like 7.9 out of 10. It's almost like at 8. Now I've heard a lot of fan favorites fall between the Cinnamon Toast and the Fruity Flakes. So let me know if you guys want to see a review on this flavor as well. I'll definitely make another video dedicated to it. I think it's very tasty. You guys can pick this up for yourself in the link down below if you want to try it out. I think it's good. I think the Cinnamon Toast is better. But yeah, I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think if you've tried this already. Thank you, Control, again for sending me this. Hopefully you did enjoy, and if you did and you don't mind doing so, make sure you go ahead and drop a sub-like-ment. That's a subscribe, a like, and a comment. And buy your simp merch, and I'll see you in the next video.